Planning to enter the United States in 2025? Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get through the process smoothly. First, find out whether you need a visa or if you're eligible for the ESTA program. ESTA is quicker and online, but it's not available to all nationalities. Second, make sure your passport is valid for at least 6 months beyond your intended stay. This is one of the most common reasons travelers are denied boarding or entry. Third, book a return or onward flight and confirm your accommodation. U.S. immigration officers may ask for proof that you plan to leave the country. Next, organize your travel documents. Have digital and printed copies of your passport, visa or ESTA approval, flight confirmation, hotel reservations, and travel insurance. Keep them all in one place. Finally, download the Mobile Passport Control app. It allows faster processing at many major U.S. airports and saves time at immigration. Stay calm and confident when speaking to the immigration officer. Answer questions clearly, keep your documents ready, and you'll be through the border in no time. For more helpful guides, subscribe to Travel Advice for USA and get updated every week with practical tips for a successful trip.